Alright, gearheads and speed demons. Today is a monumental day for superbike enthusiasts worldwide. Suzuki has just unveiled the 2025 GSX-R1000R, and let me tell you, the Gixxer is not just back, it's back with a vengeance, and it's celebrating 40 glorious years of GSX-R heritage. After a brief hiatus from some markets, the king of the Literbikes returns, packed with updates and an attitude that screams track weapon. Is this the revival we've all been craving? Let's tear into it. First things first, the visuals. To mark 4 decades of pure performance, the 2025 GSX-R1000R drops with 3 absolutely stunning 40th anniversary special liveries. We've got the classic Pearl Vigor Blue / Pearl Tech White, that iconic Candy Daring Red / Pearl Tech White, and a bold, nostalgic Pearl Ignite Yellow / Metallic Matte Stellar Blue. Each one is a direct nod to legendary GSX-Rs of the past, adorned with special 40th anniversary graphics on the fairing, fuel tank, and even a retro R logo on the belly pan. Even the seat and muffler proudly bear the GSX-R branding. It's a beautiful blend of heritage and modern aggression. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast. The familiar 999.8 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline-4 engine is still here, but Suzuki has given it a serious internal overhaul to meet the latest €5+ emission standards without compromising that legendary Gixxer power. We're talking a higher compression ratio, new camshafts with revised lift curves to reduce overlap, a wider cam chain for durability, and larger throttle bodies, now 48mm. They've even changed the exhaust valve diameter, enlarged the exhaust muffler design for a sleeker look, and updated the fuel injection system with new 8-hole injectors and a stronger fuel pump. Suzuki has tweaked virtually every component to achieve compliance while maintaining, and in some aspects, refining its power delivery. While peak power is slightly adjusted to around 192 to 195 horsepower, Suzuki promises a more linear torque delivery and an engine that's even more responsive. This means incredible drive out of corners and that signature Gixxer rush all the way to redline. And despite all these internal changes, the bike is still incredibly light, thanks to smart component choices like a new, lighter lithium-ion battery and a lighter ABS unit, saving a crucial 51 grams. The chassis, the celebrated twin-spar aluminum frame, remains largely unchanged, and that's a good thing. It's praised for its harmonious balance of run, turn, and stop performance. The R model continues with top-spec Showa balance-free front (BFF) forks and a Showa balance-free rear cushion (BFRC Lite) monoshock, both fully adjustable, ensuring world-class handling and feedback. Braking is handled by those powerful Brembo monoblock calipers clamping down on 320mm discs at the front, offering supreme stopping power and feel. Where the 2025 GSX-R1000R truly steps into the modern era is its revamped electronics package. It's now supported by a new, lighter 6-axis Bosch IMU that provides a comprehensive suite of lean-sensitive rider aids. We're talking 10-level motion traction control, anti-lift control, Suzuki Drive Mode Selector, SDMS, with updated modes A, B, C, launch control, a super smooth bidirectional quickshifter, and lean-sensitive motion track brake ABS. Plus, there's a new roll torque control system that optimizes acceleration out of corners based on bank angle. This Gixxer is smarter, safer, and more confidence-inspiring than ever before. And a nod to modern MotoGP technology, the 2025 R model now features optional dry carbon winglets. Developed with the Suzuki CN Challenge race team at Suzuka 8-hour, these aren't just for show. They're designed to generate downforce at high speeds, keeping the front wheel planted without negatively impacting handling. That's true race-bred tech for the road. So, is the 2025 Suzuki GSX-R1000R the future of superbikes? In a market dominated by electronic wizardry and ever-increasing horsepower, Suzuki has played a smart hand. They've refined an already brilliant platform, brought it up to modern emissions and electronic standards, and wrapped it in some of the most iconic liveries in motorcycling history. While some competitors might boast slightly more peak power or a full-color TFT dash, the Gixxer offers a pure, visceral riding experience, combined with genuine track prowess and the legendary reliability Suzuki is known for. For riders who crave that raw, connected feel, that unmistakable inline-4 wail, and a bike steeped in racing heritage, the 2025 Suzuki GSX-R1000R 40th Anniversary Special is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement. The Gixxer is back, and it's ready to dominate. What do you think of the new Gixxer? Let us know in the comments.